most important thing you can do right now is sign up for MEXC. You got giving away $9,100. You must use the link in the description to get half price trading fees. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where we talk about everything crypto almost daily. We freaking did it. Ripple, XRP, not a security. This is going to set a precedent and change the game across the board. I am so freaking pumped. Finally, we caught a break we needed. Now we're going to see BlackRock and these spot Bitcoin ETFs take off after they're approved. It's going to be one of the biggest bull runs you've ever seen. I'm not saying it's happening next week, next month. I'm not going to give a date on it, but it's happening. If you want to join the spot trading group, cryptorev.net, you just click on this link, or you can email cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you in the group. We made a ton of money today. So easy to make like ridiculous amounts of money. Leverage trading group every single day, banger after banger. We give you the trades. We tell you where to take profits. We tell you when to open the trade, when to close the trade, when to move the stop loss up and higher. We're holding your hands through the trade, and people are making a killing. We're up to close to 500 people already in the leverage trading group. I know this is a new skill, but I'm telling you, make a MEXC account. This is it. This is the next. Used to be Kucoin gem picks. We're still going to have Kucoin gem picks, right? We had a bunch today, but I'm just saying leverage trading is the game changer because you make money going both ways. This is Bitcoin 4-hour chart. And what you'll notice is finally you have what could be an ascending triangle breakout bull pennant, right? And I mean, technically your measured move is up here. So as long as this holds, you're going to 35,000, but you've got to break and hold 31,800, and you're only at 31,471. So you need a push higher. You could easily build the case that you've got a rising channel right here. When Bitcoin is bullish, it will go against the percentages. And if that happens and you put in the higher high and then it comes back down here, retests, and then the next high is going a lot higher. Everything, I stayed up till 5 a.m. and made that video for you, and I just knew it. The government said, we just need a way to track the Bitcoin. BlackRock funds, the fourth division of the United States government. The United States government borrows money from BlackRock funds, $10 trillion worth of assets. They're involved, and they want the BlackRock funds spot Bitcoin ETF. That is going to be mega bull rally, but Bitcoin is going to steal the show. Now, we did see Bitcoin dominance pull back, and it's been good for some of the altcoins, especially with leverage. But I'll show you, like, we nailed XRP, we nailed XLM. You got to be in the right coins. These are the fun days when the price moves. So you got your low, your high, your higher low, your higher high, your higher low, and this is still slightly higher. I want to see this put in a significant break above 31,800 and flip it as support, and you're going to, like I said, 35,000, 40,000, $45,000 Bitcoin. Here we are. This is the 3-day chart, and I told you specifically this is a signal to watch, and I called it the baby golden cross. When the 21 crosses above the 200, magic happens. And the last time this happened was right here after the panic situation, right? Panic situation, you had the cross, and then clearly the price started to move higher and then parabolic run up. So not saying that it's going to be immediate upside banger, but this has been a signal in the past for upside, but you've got to break the next level up. Your bullish cross is coming in as well, right? This is the golden cross on the 3-day chart. Higher time frames have more significance. Higher time frames mean more. This is a 3-day golden cross, right? And this is going to happen approximately the 27th. Okay. Now these crosses, I don't trade them. I trade the price action because a lot of times you see fake outs. However, you can definitely build a case right here. See this resistance? You break out above this level and you run up here to 36,000, then essentially you're going to have to extend this rising broadening wedge and affect the price action to put in a low that is higher than this low. So you're still working in an uptrend. And then this move is what puts it Bitcoin at 40,000. I've got some of the most amazing shout outs to give in the trading group. We're killing it. Leverage trading, 60% off. This person, 188% gains on XLM, 258% gains on XLM. He said, made over 700% on XLM. Learn to trade with leverage. XLM is not a big mover. Put a little bit of leverage behind it. All of a sudden, you're getting 7x your bag. We're about to kill this bull run. Ride with us. I will make sure you're successful. These are the spot trades that we posted. This was on the July the 12th. It was Helium HNT up 30%. This was XLM up 76%. 2 hours after we posted this, because we know that XLM likes to follow XRP. And that's the spot group, right? The learning group. Look at this. This is beautiful. Ripple XRP soars 30% after a US judge rules it's not a security. Guess what's going to happen? Everything that's been called a security up till now is going to take this case and they're going to use it as a precedent. And this is going to change crypto in the United States forever. We needed this so bad. This is a huge crypto victory. I hope you guys are ready for what's about to happen, because it's going to be life-changing. You've got to be in the right coins. I stayed up till 5 a.m. and I wanted to make sure and get this out there. Bitcoin parabolic price action was possible. And I explained, go through yesterday's video, I explained the entire idea where immediately BlackRock funds refiled for the spot ETF using Coinbase. And look at Coinbase, right? We rarely post stock charts in the group. You had this retest. No, 35%. No leverage. This is Coinbase Global. All the spot ETFs are going to use Coinbase Global. Coinbase coin is ready to take off. Now, if you did get a retest, a bullish retest, that would be the safest entry. But this thing, you had a small retest right here on the smaller time frames. This is a 3-day time frame. You look at the hourly, you zoom in, you've got the retest. Normally we don't cover stocks, but clearly what's happening right now is once in a lifetime. The biggest financial opportunity of our life is happening, and I'm freaking pumped. We freaking did it. XRP freaking beat the SEC. And now all these exchanges that we can't trade on and all this stuff, everything is about to change. It's not going to happen overnight, but I'll show you this. Nailed 557% gains in leverage group, turned $70 into $1,200. Well, then you have a Canadian exchange that relists XRP after 2 years. So you're going to see XRP relisted on all the exchanges. Well, what's going to happen to all the other coins that were securities that we couldn't trade? What's going to happen to all the other exchanges where we haven't been able to trade? Now, the government's going to make a case about where the coins are held and how they're held, and custodian is the word that they use. And they don't want to see a custodian like FTX using the money, Bitcoin, crypto that they get as deposits and putting it out there and making all these risky trades, because that's what happened to FTX and brought it to its knees. Now, we're still here. Plan A, we flip this resistance level and we're going to 35,000, 40,000, 45,000, right? If for some reason something happens and you get a drawdown, you'd be looking for a bounce at this level. You just don't want to see this break down. But you have to think, finally, the government said, we want to be able to track the Bitcoin. And immediately 5 ETFs refiled, spot ETFs. That means it's not paper traded. It's going to move the price. And so you're going to have the biggest institutions, all the money in the world. If BlackRock puts 0.0005% of their $10 trillion worth of assets under management in Bitcoin, Bitcoin 3x's immediately. I mean, that's what we're talking here. Everything changes. And then what happens? Everybody FOMOs into Bitcoin and this thing goes parabolic. And then the altcoins come. Bitcoin dominance. And I told you, this break, actually I posted this today in the group. If this breaks lower, you're looking for a bounce right here. And if this breaks to the downside, you're going to get a mini altcoin season and you're going to make a ton of money. And you'll want to be in the right coins. And so be in the CBC learning gem pick banger group, and we're going to kill it. I'm so excited because, man, I get bummed out because I know you guys are losing money, because I know that there's a bunch of holders out there that have just been holding this stuff and held it all the way down. And like, you guys are my crypto family. Like, you guys give me purpose. Look at this. XRP up 73% today. XLM 61%. Solana has had 31% gains this week, 28% gains in Matic, which we nailed Matic in the group. ADA, Compound. LDO is going to be a very strong coin for this bull run. Make a note. Mana will too. ADA is going to have a good bounce back. Matic is going to be huge. And clearly XRP doing very well off of the news that we've seen. But what I want to emphasize is that what I teach you guys, group or no group, on this channel is we are learning a skill that you can use in any market. All you have to do to take the measured move of this pattern is pull the depth of the pattern, right? And so this thing should run up here to $142 from 85. Percentage wise, that's a huge number. Was that 80%? 80% gains out of a stock, because all the spot ETFs, and that was my thought in the shower. And I talked about this all in detail. Go listen to last night's 5 a.m. all-nighter that I pulled. I said, they're running out of room. The SEC, the federal government, they can't keep stopping these ETFs. Remember, the Winklevoss twins, who own Gemini, filed for the first spot ETF 10 years ago. Running out of excuses, and now you got a big BlackRock funds and Vanguard. Those two companies alone, people will tell you they own the world. Trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars in management. Ethereum. This was an interesting move because Ethereum is going to move Bitcoin price action. And I just want to show you guys the Ethereum trade, which this was done by someone who is very good trading. He is an admin in the group, and he hit Ethereum for 600% gains. He said, easy, $6,000 day. Let's go. On a small move. And this is why the leverage group is so golden, is because we're calling everything play by play by play by play. Open your trade here. Close your trade here. Take profits. Move your stop loss up. Like, it takes the guesswork out of trading. Telling you, I'm about to sit down. I've got someone coming over. We're going to sit down and we're going to research a lot of the small caps. I'm going to be looking, I'm going to go dive deep into some small caps, and I'm going to find the gem picks for this next bull market. However, I don't believe that over half of them even exist yet. AI is going to melt faces off. My goal is to find the 50x, 70x, 100x coins that are coming in crypto. I have one thing about me is I am addicted to working. It's because I'm helping you, because of the DMs. Like, you're my crypto family. I live in a huge house alone. I know one thing. I am dragging you to the top with me. I have an overdrive mode and it kicks in. It kicks in. I'm going to give you 110 to 125%. And that is why we're going to kill this market. So you can just watch the channel. You don't forget the groups. You don't even have to join it. But if you have a smaller bag and you want to build it up quickly, the groups are perfect for you. And they're priced so that they pay for themselves. I don't know how to relax. My word is my bond. I've got thousands of lives to change. I want you to have the freedom that I have. It's not about the money. It's about opening your eyes, and I can do anything today. What do? I come upstairs and go to my office, and I make sure that you guys are making money. Make sure you're updated and you're educated. I want you to have the freedom that I do. Your success is one of the few things, I'm telling you, money doesn't make me happy. Your success makes me happy. Money fixes money problems, and it's way overrated. But when you need to pay bills, obviously it's necessary. Ride the bull market with us and we will kill it. I do not know how to settle. I do not know how to take it easy. I reprogrammed myself over the last 6 years, push harder than ever. This is not about me. This is about you. I want you to quit working. It's a waste of freaking time. Spend time with your loved ones. Give me the opportunity, join the group, email me cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com, and it will happen a lot faster. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.